Hi, my name is Sujit. Today I want to tell you about a product and a solution called EveryBill. So, as an every user, what I found is that I will get to know what I am buying and what I am spending on, because if this is whomever from I buy things, they used to give me bills as paper bill or kind of there is no bill, verbal bill. So what happens, I never used to get track of what I'm buying. Even what happens is, for the business side, like my father runs a garment so what I found is that my father is also a traditional way of putting the bills on paper, and what he is struggling with is that he finds very difficult to find the customer and how much he is selling, and to manage his inventory. So I see that I'm also struggling with a problem, and my father is also struggling with a problem, and every existing solution in the market is trying to solve individual problem, and that is not so much efficient. Like many businesses have POS system which cost much actually, around it varies from 10k to 70k, and they what they do is they just give you a piece of paper which is like we never keep it and we used to throw it, and the valuable information lost. So there are individual players in the market who are trying to tackle this problem individually. Like for there are many apps for consumer, like tracking expense manager, which is like I am trying to enter all the details, but that is very tedious and that solves only 1% problem. In that, what I thought is like, if a business will be given a POS on their phone with internet connectivity, where they enter all the detail of a consumer, all the detail of an item, and a detail of the consumer phone number, and so that like that consumer will receive that information of what has bought from them, and I as a consumer can pay that payment I can do from through online transaction. So what and also record all the bill detail. So this is like I'm trying to solve this for every. So this unique solution provides transaction of money, recording bill, analytics, and it will run businesses. So this is the solution of every will create great opportunity for all the small businesses to have a portable, free POS system which will run their businesses very efficiently. Thank you.